on a sidewalk.
Hi, we are here today to talk about the Microsoft Soundscape app, which is an application that allows anyone with low vision or visual impairment to be able to have mobility and independence. And to help me do that, I have Amos Miller
With a dog.
with me to really give us a real demo of this application. Amos, do you want to describe Soundscape?
Soundscape is really cool, okay? Using a stereo headset, it lets a person who's blind or low vision hear where the landmarks are around them in 3D. And in this way, they can build a richer awareness of their surroundings and feel more independent and confident to explore the world beyond what they know.
That's pretty cool. So it's kind of like it paints what's around you in sound.
That's exactly what it does. Shall we try it out?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, so you have the headset on.
Yes, I have the headset.
And you'll start by pressing around me and just listen to where the landmarks are and tell me where you're hearing them.
Around you.
On a smartphone.
Park 295 feet. Microsoft Building
Wow,
34
that's pretty awesome.
295 feet. Microsoft
Okay,
Building
it's all
33
around the
255
landmarks.
feet.
Soundscape effectively
Around 160
takes
feet.
the same map that you have running on the phone and plays it in 3D sound. Isn't that cool?
That is so awesome. That's so awesome. So yeah, it just described everything around me, and I was able to sort of navigate, and take my, in this case, my gaze to all of those places.
And get your orientation. So I think that you need to make your way to building 34. Shall we do that?
So shall we try with this? Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
absolutely. With Soundscape, instead of turn-by-turn instructions, we will place an audio beacon on building 34 so we can hear where it is.
Got it.
Okay?
So this app knows how to rendezvous with that beacon.
Exactly. So
Okay.
we'll set the beacon.
Okay.
Okay, there's a button to
And
set
so
the
should
beacon.
I also do the same?
Yeah, do exactly the same. And
Yeah.
on the top of the list, you'll see building 34
Yeah.
access ramps.
I'll do that.
Access ramp,
Yeah.
Beacon 285
Okay.
feet.
access ramp. And on your right ear, you'll start hearing a clicking sound.
Oh.
Can you hear that?
I got it. So it doesn't give you directions, but it kind of gives you the sound
So
impulse.
before you walk, hold
Yeah.
on, you're walking already. Let's turn towards the way you're hearing the beacon.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's completely centered, and you hear a bell sound that tells you we are pointing at building 34. Okay?
Yep.
Now, of course, we can't walk. There's a road on the way.
That's
so,
correct.
So let's walk along the road and find a place to turn right.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Straight on. So you can hear the beacon on your right as
Yeah.
we walk along here.
So I know that I'll have to at some point turn right.
That's right.
Marker.
Straight
Amos's
on.
bus stop.
Good boy.
It says Amos's bus stop. So that's that. Basically telling me this is your bus stop.
This is a bus stop that I placed. With Soundscape, you can place
Yeah.
a marker on anything you care about.
That's cool. So it
All
just
right.
told me that I'm right there.
And it also, so it helps me personalize my mental map of the space,
Right.
but also gives me a cue that we are getting close to the intersection because I know.
Correct,
this.
because you know that this beacon was there before.
So it's a landmark for
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Okay. So I'll start cueing the dog to find a
Approaching
crossing.
intersection. Service road.
Ever
Goes
find a
left.
crossing? You might have received
159th
Yeah,
Avenue.
and in fact, I got
intersection
even-
announcement.
Yeah.
Service
Okay.
road.
Do you ever
Goes
find
right.
the crossing? So you really work together with the app as well as the dog in this case.
Yeah.
Are we safe to cross?
Yes, we are.
Ever forward. And now,
Crossing.
as the beacon straightens
so
up
cool.
right in front of us, you should be able to hear the beacon right in front, which tells us that we are walking in a straight line towards our destination.
Yes.
Towards,
Crossing.
Yeah, it's
The ramp.
Yeah.
there's a crossing to our left.
Parking lot.
We're now entering a parking lot. The interesting thing about a parking lot, Satya, is that you have very little to work with
Yeah.
when you navigate. So
That's
the
right.
beacon really plays an important role to help you keep
Help
your
you keep
orientation.
orientation. Yeah.
Yeah, this is very effective in open areas.
But the interesting thing here is this can be useful for anybody who's in a new space, even if you're fully sighted.
That's right. This is inclusive design in action.
Correct. Yeah, because as you said, you land up in a parking lot or you land up in a campus that you
Yeah.
don't know anything about, and
Just
obviously in
place
our
the beacon.
campus, our buildings are not numbered in sequence. Very helpful.
Marker. Building 34.
Good boy, Trevor.
Access.
And we are at the access ramp.
That's right.
Good boy,
That's
Trevor.
awesome.
Good boy.
That is really awesome.
Fantastic. That
Thank you
worked
so
well.
much, Amos. This is such a wonderful work. Where can people go get this app?
There are thousands of people out there enjoying the outdoors with Soundscape every day, and it's just wonderful to see that happening. People can get the app for free on the iOS App Store in the US, in the UK, in Australia, and we're working to get it to other countries as well.
It's awesome. Thank you so much,
Okay.
and it's such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Smiling, they shake hands. Microsoft.